All right, let's see how this goes. This is the cables and stuff are in here. Instructions in that thing. There's more stuff. This thing up. All right, it's empty. So here's all the instructions and the plugs that it came with. Here's the panel. Let's just see how easy this is. And I'm pretty short, so you can see roughly how big this is. Extremely light. This is not heavy. Okay, and then there you go. Now I just gotta figure out how to plug everything into it and stuff. And sorry about my camera. Anyway, here you go. There's all the cables and stuff. And this. And it is a little bit cloudy out today, so we're gonna see how well it does in the clouds.